D. Use the factor formula. For any angles P and Q, there are 4 factor formulas. First, sin P plus sin Q equals to sin P plus Q over 2 times cos P minus Q over 2. Second, sin P minus sin Q equals 2 cos P plus Q over 2 times sin P minus Q over 2. Third, cos P plus cos Q equals 2 cos P plus Q over 2 times cos P minus Q over 2. Fourth, cos P minus cos Q equals negative 2 sin P plus Q over 2 times sin P minus Q over 2. Example 13a, express 1 Roman sin 6 theta plus sin 4 theta as the product of 2 trigonometric functions. Given sin 6 theta plus sin 4 theta. From here, we can relate that where is 6 theta equals P, 4 theta equals Q. Let's substitute to the factor formula equals 2 times sin 6 theta plus 4 theta divide 2 times cos 6 theta minus 4 theta divide 2 equals 2 sin 10 theta over 2 cos 2 theta over 2. Finally, 2 sin 5 theta times cos theta. Example 13a to Roman, express cos 7a minus cos 5a as the product of 2 trigonometric functions. Given cos 7a minus cos 5a. We use cos P minus cos Q. From this, we can see that P equals 7a and Q equals 5a equals negative 2 sin 7a plus 5a divide 2 times sin 7a minus 5a divide 2 equals negative 2 times sin 12a over 2 times sin 2a over 2 equals negative 2 sin 6a times sin a. Example 13b, express 4 cos 5a cos 3a as the sum or difference of 2 trigonometric functions. Where is now these 2 cos in the factor form? We need to express in the sum. We can say that 5a equals p plus q over 2 and 3a equals p minus q over 2. Let's solve this. Where is p plus q over 2 equals 5a, then p plus q equals 10a. This is the first equation. Next, p minus q over 2 equals 3a. Therefore, p minus q equals 6a. This is our second equation. Let's solve for the simultaneous equation. 1 plus 2. P plus p is 2p. Q plus negative q 0. 10a plus 6a is 16a. Therefore, P equals 8a. Next, first equation minus second equation. P minus P0. Q minus negative Q is 2Q. 10a minus 6a equals 4a. Therefore, Q equals 2a. Next is, we have been given in the right side. Just follow the right side here. Y is 2 cos P plus Q over 2 is here. Y is this is equals to 5a times cos P minus Q over 2 is here. Let's enter the 3a equals cos. Our P is 8a plus cos Q is 2a. Next is the question is asked us the coefficient by 4. That means we have to multiply by 2 in the both sides. Next, 2 times 2 cos 5a cos 3a equals 2 cos 8a plus cos 2a. Next, we can say that 2 times 2 equals 4. Cos 5a cos 3a equals 2 times cos 8a plus cos 2a. Example 13b, express to Roman sine 6a times sine 2a as the sum or difference of two trigonometric functions. So we know that this is sine times by sine, this is a product already. Then we can compare with the product. This is 6a is P plus Q over 2. Next is this is 2a. So this is equivalent to P minus Q over 2. Let's settle these two equations. We have P plus Q over 2 equals 6a. Therefore, P plus Q equals 12a. First equation. And the second one, we have P minus Q over 2 equals 2a. P minus Q equals 4a. This is our second equation. Let's solve for this simultaneous equation. What is 1 plus by 2, P plus P is 2P, Q plus negative Q 0, 12a plus 4a equals 16a, therefore P equals 8a. Next is first equation minus 2 equation, P minus P0, P, Q minus negative Q is 2Q, equals 12a minus 4a equals 8a. Therefore, Q equals 4a. Alright, let's substitute into the product where is we have this formula. Negative 2 sine P plus Q over 2 is 6a times sine P minus Q over 2 is 2a equals cos P is 8a minus cos Q is 4a. But this is not the final answer. What is the original question? The coefficient is 1. Therefore, we have to multiply by negative half in the both sides. So, times negative 1 over 2. This negative 2 sine 6a sine 2a equals negative 1 over 2 times cos 8a minus cos 4a. This is equals to negative 2 divided negative 3 is a 1. Therefore, we have sine 6a sine 2a equals negative 1 over 2 times cos 8a minus cos 4a.